What is going on, guys? Today we're looking at Legend. What is Legend? Legend is the premier marketplace and auction house for artists selling digital artwork. They are an eco-conscious community of artists and collectors who are changing the future of art and commerce. How does Legend work? Artists create new work or provide digitized versions of existing work, and Legend makes that work available for purchase. The purchased art is certified by blockchain technology. Purchases can be made by credit card as well as through cryptocurrencies. If you want to look at the frequently asked questions page, I will leave a link to their website in the description down below if you want to learn more. But for the sake of this video, let's click on the drops here to show you guys more. Since Legend is providing high-class, exclusive NFTs, they go by drops. As you can see here, Hiroshi has a set coming called Recycled Pixels, dropped Sunday, August 8th at 8 p.m. EDT. You can view some of the pieces here. Some of these are only going to be available for 24 hours, so make sure to scoop some up if you're interested. You can learn more by clicking on the piece. It is titled Middle Finger. You can see the artist, you can see the certificate of authenticity, a description, the creator and owner, etc. If any of these pieces or artists grabs your attention, you can view some interviews here. I will click on this one, for example, Jess Johnson. An interview with Jess Johnson, May 21st, 2021. You can read some more about the artist by scrolling down here. I'm going to log into my account now to show you guys what that looks like and how you can interact with the platform. So you can see your name up in the top right corner now once you are logged in. You can click on the My Collection. I don't own any of these NFTs yet, but I am looking to get some in the near future. If you click on the My Wallet tab, you have the ability to log in via Waxcloud Wallet, which I really appreciate. It makes it super simple to buy some of these NFTs. You can see your account activity. I do not have any at the time, but like I said before, I'm trying to get some of these drops. If you want to follow them on Twitter, it's at LGND.art. If you have any questions or comments about Legend, please drop them in the comments down below. I will try my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.